Exercise 10.4 is also on construction of triangles. In this you have to construct triangle, but the condition of construction is given different. Question number 1, you have to construct a triangle ABC in which two angles are given and one side is given. So to construct this you will be using the same property. The property of construction is that you will make, first of all you will make a rough figure. So when you make a rough figure, in the rough figure you will draw a triangle, and the name of triangle given is triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, angle A and B are given. Now angle A 60, AB is equal to 5.8. So ABC, AB is given 5.8, angle A is 60 and angle B which is given is angle 50 degree. Now angle 60 degree angle will be made with the help of compass, and 50 degree angle you will make with the help of a protractor. So this is your rough figure. Now when you make rough figure, you will make the rough figure on the right side of your page and on one side. After that, when you start the construction, then you will make, first of all you will make side AB 5 centimeter. So AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Then after making AB, you will construct angle 60 degree. So at A you will make an arc. When you make the arc, you will cut with the help of compass. Then you will make an arc of 60 degree. So when you make the arc 60 degree, you will draw a line, and then at B you will make an angle of 50 degree with the help of protractor. Keep your protractor here at B and construct and draw an angle. So this angle, which is 50 degree, will not be constructed with the help of, it will be constructed with the help of protractor, and the angle 60 degree will be made with the help of compass. So 50 degree will be made with the help of protractor and 60 degree will be made with the help of compass. So this figure is made simple. You will write the step that draw a line AB is equal to 5 centimeter, 5.6 centimeter. Then you will write construct angle A is equal to 60 degree because you are constructing, and for B you will write draw angle B is equal to 50 degree because you are drawing it, you have not constructed the angle. So you will write that draw angle B is equal to 50 degree, and then in the next step you will write that the figure has been made. So this is a simple construction where you have used the property of construction where two angles are given. In the same way, question number 2, you have to construct triangle PQR in which one side is given 5 centimeter, one angle is 105 and angle QRP is equal to 40 degrees. So here also you will make first the line PQ, then you will construct 105 degree with the help of compass, 40 degree will be made with the help of protractor. Where the two angles meet, the triangle will be complete. Now when you construct, sometimes the triangle is not possible. question number 2 and question number 3 are, when you will make rough figure, you will understand that the figure is not possible directly because the angle is made, but when you make the angle, the side is not given which is of the same side, which is of the same part. So let's see question number 2. PQ is equal to 5. Now since PQ is equal to 5, first you will draw PQ is equal to 5. So when you make it, you will make PQ is equal to 5. If you make PQ is equal to 5, after that it is given, construct triangle PQR where PQ is equal to 5, angle PQR is 105 and QRP is equal to 40. PQR is equal to 105. 105 means angle PQR will come on this side, it will come 105. This is a rough figure. So basically rough figure should be correct, and PQR is equal to 105. Now since PQR is equal to 105 and we need one more angle, this angle given is QRP. QRP is equal to QR is here and P is equal to is given like this. This is R and QRP is the angle which is given to you. The QRP angle is equal to 40 degree. So you have to make this angle as 40 degree. This is the rough figure. So when you make this angle, you will see this rough figure and make it. PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Now PQ is made. After that, construct 105 degree angle will be made. First you will make an angle of 90 degree using compass. When you make 90 degree angle, make this dotted because we don't need 90 degree angle, but we need it for making the arc. After that, with the same radius, you will put the compass at this point and at this point. The 2 points you will use and you will construct an arc. The arc will be cutting here. When you do it, the line will be made and this angle will come 105 degree. So when you make 105 degree, after that the next thing which is given is angle R is given 40 degree, but we can't make 40 degree angle because we don't know where is R. Now since we don't know R, you can see R is given but the length of QR is not given and neither PR is given. So we don't know where is this angle R. So what we will do, we will try to find the angle P. This angle you will find by using the triangle property, sum of three angles of triangle. Now since sum of three angles of triangle is equal to 180, you will add the angles and write angle P plus Q plus R is equal to 180. Angle P is not given, but angle Q is given 105 and angle R is given 40 degree is equal to 180. So you will solve, find angle P and then you will construct angle P. So we need to find angle P. When we find angle P, we will construct this line angle P from here with the help of protractor. If it comes with the help of protractor, you will make it with the help of protractor. then the triangle will be made. So you need the angle. This angle is important. Without this angle you can't solve the figure. Once you make this angle, then angle R, which is here, this angle R will be automatically obtained. You will get this angle R automatically here. It will come 40. So we will use the property of sum of three angles of triangle. Sum of three angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. With that we will find angle P, because angle R cannot be made. So first we can make angle P because it is at the base. So find the sum of angles, find angle P, and then complete the figure. The triangle will be made.